Hello and welcome to another video. This is the Step 2 Game Time Sports Climber. So this has a little slide, a little place to climb on, a basketball hoop. Comes with a basketball as well, but that's deflated. I'm just gonna pump it up. Should only take you a few minutes to put it together. It's just a few screws. So let's do it together and see how it works. The first part is putting this green piece into this red piece. The instruction manual is black and white, so you're going to have difficulty figuring it out pieces by just the shape because it doesn't tell you the color, but you can follow along on this video. So this is going to require some force to push it in, and once you push it in, those three knobs in the back snap in place, and you heard that loud snap. All right, so that's first step and second step. The third step was the loud snap. Okay, so according to this, as long as these things are perfectly together, there's no gaps, it's in place, which we have that already done. Number 4 is putting this big piece on top of this thing, and that again is going to be similar process. You're gonna put this hook in here, you're gonna push until you hear that snap, and you're in place. So you're going to make sure both sides that all of those knobs, all three of those knobs are in place, which they are, and that's it. Okay, so for this next step, be very careful. If you don't do it correctly, it could be disastrous. So make sure you don't just put one side and push it in with your leg. You got to do both sides at the same time. You do it at an angle. So you angle one of the pieces in, right, or both of the sides in, and then using your foot, the heel of your foot, you kind of shove it in. So make sure you align it properly, and then use the heel of your foot and push it in. So if you don't do it, don't angle them in properly to begin with, what will happen is you won't be able to get the other side in. So make sure you angle it in, and with the foot, there you go. They got one side in, and the other side, there we go. So make sure you get this side in first. So the this side getting in first is important. Before I showed you this, I did it with this side first, and then I couldn't get the other side out or in because it was kept sliding. So it's important to get this side in, and then the other side, it's much easier. Anyways, once that's done, you will hear the snap on both sides with your foot. You want to get the orange piece involved. Here's the orange piece. This is the climbing block. So you can see here footholds and handholds. This is the side the basketball hoop was going to be. So on this side, we're going to put the climber. Of course, actually looking at the picture, there's no way you can figure that out which side this is going to go. The instructions are pretty terrible actually because there's no like color. I'm not really sure for a $150 item why they couldn't put color in there, but that's okay. You can watch this video and figure it out. So you're going to brace the climber with your foot. Spread this apart a little bit so you can get the slide in. There are two knobs that have to fall in place. So you're going to use your knee to kind of brace this and angle it in. Once you have it angled, you're just going to keep pushing until the knobs are falling into place. And then while pulling this up, you're going to swing it out. And then your climber is in place. You're going to do the same thing on the opposite side for the slide. I'm going to try to put the slide between the two, and then while with one leg pushing it in, you got to swing it in. So while pushing it in with that arm, swing it in, and there you go. Both of them are in place. Now this is where we start using the screws. So let's go and open up that bag. There are different length screws. So first you're going to start with putting screws on the top. So you can see the screw holes on top. You might require two people because you have to kind of hold it together while you screw it in place. You're going to use those longer screws to begin with, all four of them. or there's actually, or four. You're going to use those longer four screws to begin with. So I'm just going to kind of poke through the plastic here. There you go. The four top screws are in. So it should stabilize the whole structure. Now you're going to use the two small screws to go ahead and put the basketball hoop on. So the hoop's going to slide in place like this, and then you're going to screw the screw on, screw into the hole like that, and there's a spot for a screw on the other side. You're going to screw it in on the other side as well. It's going to be nice and tight. Once the hoop's in place, you're going to slide this backboard on, and there's going to be one more screw remaining, and that's going to allow you to put the backboard in place. So you're going to go to the back of the backboard, and there's a little spot for the screw there. And that's going to allow you to screw the whole backboard basketball hoop assembly together. And the only thing left to put together is the basketball. It's got to pump some air in, and we'll be ready to use the whole contraption. The ball is now inflated and ready to go. Put it up to 8 psi if you have an automated machine. So this is what it looks like. You have this slide, you have the basketball hoop, you have the climber on the other side. So we're gonna see how my son likes it. Come on, Kai. Let's go down the slide. Throw. Nice job. On this side, there's actually a score tracker here as well, which makes these clicking noises. So, two kids can play and keep score, or your kid can just kind of twist it around to make that noise.